This tutorial will show you how to take your OneSearch results and narrow them down or open them up so that you can find the most relevant results for your need. Let's start with a sample search for Frank Lloyd Wright in the OneSearch box. So we get 106,088 results. So that's a lot, and we're gonna have to filter it in order to kind of find the things that we're looking for. So for me, we're gonna look on the left-hand side of the screen. So these are our filters. So we can refine by relevance. It can go by date, oldest to newest, author or title. So depending on what you need to find. The availability, is it in the SJSU library? Is it full text, or is it peer reviewed? Is it scholarly information? That might make a difference for you when you're searching. Resource type, it shows you how many, so in parentheses, it'll show you how many have come back in these results. So we've got the most are articles, 28,000, and then there's books and conferences, conference proceedings and DVDs. So if I just wanted articles, I could click on this, and any of these we want to scope it down to, we can certainly click on those. So I can look for some peer-reviewed articles that are online, doing that. Publication date range is always important for those who have subjects that need timely information. If you need current research or if you need current publications, you're going to definitely want to scope that down to the last 2 years or 5 years or whatever you need for your research. The author or creators, here you can choose between them. You can choose more than one. You can keep them all in there by not clicking on these. So subjects, this also lists a lot of the subjects that have come back in these results, and you can see them. So you can always choose those. Here are the locations at the SJSU King Library. Journal titles, if you are looking for a particular journal, and it will list them here by relevance. So the ones that have the most results will be first. And by library, language, or database. So if you need something not in English, you need something in Spanish, German, or Italian, that kind of thing, you can choose that. Databases, it also lists the database that it came back from. So OneFile Gale right here has the most, so maybe I'll click on that and let's apply the filters here. Let's see what comes back with all those filters. So right here it shows active filters. This is what we're using to filter out these results. So if we don't want these filters, you can just unclick these and it'll show you, it'll take that one off and come back to just these active filters that are remaining. So if I click on here, it's going to bring me to my results. And here is an article. It's a full text one because we scoped it down. And I can click on this link since I'm already signed into my SJSU University account. Then I can just click on this live link or this one, and it's going to take me right to it. Another interesting thing is results will often list subjects that were listed in those subject limiters. So you can click on any of these live links and go and explore these subjects if you wanted to expand on your search for those particular subjects. So these are just some tips. If you want any more tips and tricks for OneSearch, please check our 10 tips website. Thank you.